Oh, Panda, what's up, man? Welcome to
What's up, Mining Chamber? Hello. How are you, good sir?
I've been waiting for you since the beginning, man. Welcome home.
Thank you. I feel very welcomed. And
GPUs are waiting for you as usual.
this is your new office. Wow. Look at this. Radeon 7s. I will take these. Thank you very much. Just kidding.
It's only $10 each.
Only,
Very good discount.
only $10?
Ethereum 2.0, you know, I can't be mining anymore.
That's true. That's true. That's true. You know, with EIP 1509 coming out, the merge, you might as well just sell your GPUs right now to me. Okay, $10.
3080s, $20.
Done. Done. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at all of these GPUs. Oh my God. Mining Chamber, tell us, what are you doing here? What is this?
Mind you, the table mining.
Okay.
So, you know, 50 mega hash, you know, per GPU on the tables, passive income. No big deal, you know, easy stuff.
Okay, that's good.
But eventually they'll come together. This will be the new office for Mining Chamber.
Yeah, right. This is
Will be on.
This is your new office. Look at this. You have like mine. These are mine boxes, I'm assuming, from mineshop.eu.
Mineshop.eu it is.
Great little plug there. Good old Guntis Vitolins. Oh, you got risers here too? Look at that. Oh man. Okay. Jeez. Well, for those watching right now, you guys are probably wondering, Red Panda, what are you doing in Mining Chamber's new office? Well, this man right here just moved near me, and we are basically going to be collabing on a few different things, I guess. Potentially, what are we going to do, Mr. Mining Chamber? What can we do?
A build up. Budget.
Okay.
Who builds the better mining rig?
Obviously, I build the better mining rig.
Nah, listen, I got the RGB part.
Well, listen. Just because you got Radeon 7 sitting here, I also have a 6x Radeon 7 rig. Maybe I can. Let's not bring that up. Let's not bring that up. You know, I can unbolt my. I'm sorry. I can unbuild my Radeon 7 rig, and then we can do a build off.
Let's do it. That's it. Code 43 free. You know, make sure it's running.
If we code 43 on my Radeon 7s and maybe on yours,
we're giving away all of them.
Done. I like that. Okay. Well, what else can we collab on? What else are we doing?
Let's see.
We're sharing a mining farm.
Sharing a mining farm?
Potentially.
Yeah, potential.
All your extra GPUs here. Mm-hmm. You got 3080s. Right, these are the Asus Toughs. Okay, nice.
Behind this Rode microphone, you got some
okay.
1660 Ti.
1660 Ti's look like they're brand new in the boxes. No, just kidding. You just moved them here, right?
Yeah, I just moved them.
Great, and then 5700s.
You know, you just pick your flavor and you go.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to come here at nighttime and take them all. Oh yeah, that's right. Well.
What else we got?
Is interesting, guys. This is Mining Chamber's new office, and this guy now lives close to me. So yeah, we're gonna try to do some collabs together and maybe some live streams together somehow. And yeah.
Face reveal as well. Panda, you guys get like 50K likes. Panda face reveal. Done.
No. 10 Bitcoin? 10 Bitcoin.
My
Okay.
address is gonna be like somewhere around here.
All right. So
send it here.
if anyone wants to see my face, you guys have to pay Mining Chamber 10 Bitcoin.
Yep.
And he will dox my face. All right.
And Panda gets like 95% commission, so I keep 5%.
Perfect.
So,
Okay.
it's all planned, you know. It's
Okay. Well, you guys heard it here first, right? No, get out of here. No doxing my face. Okay. That's like the number one thing that my community wants to know is they want to see my face and.
He's not letting you on, though.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's like the biggest giveaway right now, right there. Yeah. No. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm just giving them false
hope. Yeah. Exactly. So, Mining Chamber, what's next, man? What are you doing in here now? So,
let's see.
I just gave you some mining frames.
Oh, yeah.
A Veta frame, right? You needed one because you could not bring all of your frames over,
That's
right?
True. Can't ship these.
You couldn't ship these.
More shipping them.
Who would want to unbuild a Veta frame? It's a pain.
That's probably the main reason.
That's like the biggest reason.
Rebuilding this. That's the whole life journey.
I feel like half of my life was building these metal frames.
You can see the pain and the torture.
Yeah, and blood. I probably scratched my legs and my hands on these things like a billion times.
Yeah, not worth it.
Yeah, no.
Get them from Panda. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I actually have a few more which I'm gonna give away, or maybe you can give away. I have a whole bunch I can give you.
I'll come visit you at night as well.
Sure. Yeah.
And,
sure.
Just give them away. Very nicely.
Yeah.
Then shipping would be like $700.
That's the thing. That's the thing. When taking these apart and then shipping them or packing them back up, giving them people, that's the worst thing is the shipping and the boxes. And
True.
But we got to do what we got to do.
Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. And you build your own as well.
Right.
It's an option.
Exactly.
These are great.
So what are you doing with this one? What are you gonna do? What's the plan?
We got these lovely Radiant 7s.
Lovely.
Hopefully none of them is code 43.
Beautiful Radiance. Right, you transport them here across the country.
Oh man, this man is... Okay, we have one broken fan.
Okay, I can't even do the panda flick on this one.
Even this one.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh.
There's hope. There's hope.
Brutal. All right, you're okay. You're okay.
There might be dead.
It's okay. I think you can buy the fans on Amazon or Alibaba or something.
Yeah.
I think they're like 50 mil, 55. They're like some unorthodox fan size.
Oh, I see.
These ones, special fan size.
They're probably.
You guys can let me know in the comments down below.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
Radeon 7s. Okay, Radeon 7s coupled with a BioStar TB250 BTC. Nice motherboard. Got the GPU risers. And
good old 1200 P2.
two 1200 watt P2s. Okay,
It's right here.
very nice. Okay, that's the other one. Very nice.
And now we have a nice 600 mega hash grid.
That's it. Oh yeah, that's right. Radeon 7s can do 600 mega hash. Well, 100 mega hash each in Hive OS. You can do Hive OS,
Yeah,
of course, of course. Or Windows.
Yeah.
Nice.
That is on Panda's channel.
No, guide is on your channel.
No, you did the Hive OS one.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Windows. Oh yeah, I did the
I think it was a
Hive OS one. Yes.
Yeah.
You had to do the
Miner.
with Team Miner.
Yeah.
The AMD memtweak code thing you have to put in Hive OS.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. That's what we need to do.
Okay. Awesome.
Clean and a little bit dusty.
Dusty.
GPUs.
Yeah, exactly. You can't have dusty GPUs.
That's messed up.
Okay, Kenan, what else are you doing in here, man? Just maybe a little thing for your new studio. I know that, how many subscribers you got on your channel now? I think 110? 107, okay, being modest. So you're catching up to me. I'm at what, 134? 134K subscribers. Guys, I know most of you, if not most of you who watch me and watch Mining Chamber, we have and share the same viewers, subscribers.
Absolutely.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to Mr. Mining Chamber. Link down below.
And you might be coming from my channel, subscribe to Panda.
No. I want you to be ahead of me in subscribers because
That can't happen.
the pressure of being a YouTuber and
That can't happen. I'll stop videos for a while.
no. That's not how it works. I'm gonna give you all the subscribers, man. Okay, great.
Panda 150K subs, face reveal.
No. No Bitcoin needed. 150K subs on my channel. All right. I like that.
Easy, just like that. Yeah, what else we got? Oh, we got, don't forget the 12 GPU frames from a...
Oh, a AAA wave frame, 12 GPU frame. These are really good. You know that I'm also doing a bunch of builds with those. That's
very tiny, but they hold a lot of GPUs.
Exactly. That's actually why I don't really utilize them as like a 12 GPU frame. I utilize them as like a 6 GPU frame because I like the spacing on those GPUs. Yeah. Nice place, Mr. Mining Chamber. I like this, man. I like this. Oh, what is this? Boosted board? All right. Should we go outside, guys?
Hold the Radiant 7s.
RedPandaMining while holding Radeon 7s. Okay, let's do it. This is sick. I would definitely fall off of this instantly. Yeah, no, that's cool. This is really cool.
Heavy stuff.
Wow, I can barely carry it with one hand actually. That's pretty heavy, pretty nice, man. Oh, you got one of these up desks. No, it's not an up desk. It's a different brand.
V1 desk.
Nice. And this is from Amazon.
Exactly.
Nice.
Good price. Goes up and down.
Yeah, up and down.
I'm just waiting the rest of it now.
You need a
Can't sit down for too long.
you need a tabletop basically.
Tabletop,
yeah,
exactly.
and then you're done. Right on.
tabletop, and then you have a beautiful table.
That's
that goes up
awesome.
and down.
Really nice, really nice. And then yeah, the mine boxes. Are you gonna have them in this location here, the mine boxes, or another mining location? What's your plan? What's your plan on that?
That's a secret.
It's a secret.
Nobody will know yet.
Right. It's a
5 mining locations like Panda.
wow, 5 mining locations. You heard it here first. 5 mining locations. I may have another mining location. You know, we may share another mining location together. Yeah, we're thinking maybe we can find a warehouse and do something. Maybe, possible.
Very big possibility.
Possibility.
Very.
Mining chamber
I'm actually
plus
here.
Red Panda Mining. Possibly.
Big signs in the front, just make sure people know.
Yeah, you know, just know where we are, and then definitely be able to dox my face instantly. Well, guys, that's it. That's all. This is all.
It's been great.
It's been great,
I'll go ahead and go home
Mr.
now.
Mining Chamber.
Your office.
This is
Thank you so
oh,
much.
this is my office. Okay,
It's yours. You're Radiant 7.
okay, that's great. Thank
Have
you,
a good one, all
thank
right?
you so much. Thank you, Mr. Mining Chamber. Guys, look at these. These are beautiful. I'm gonna take them home. Okay, Mining Chamber. Thank you for the tour.
For coming.
Thank you for the laughs.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure.
Yeah, and
You're home.
Mukasa.
Yeah.
Did I say that right?
Mikasa, something else.
Yeah, yeah.
We got it.
Totally wrong. All right, guys, that's it for this vlog. I'm probably gonna have more vlogs here with Mr. Mining Chamber in the future. Let me know if you guys liked these kind of vlogs. Stay tuned. We're gonna have maybe more content down the road. Not sure what yet, but we'll see. Coming soon. Remember, 10 Bitcoin.
Address.
Face reveal.
Guys, come on.
Okay.
Address.
Okay, have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you all. Make sure you subscribe to Mr. Mining Chamber. And peace out, guys. Peace out.